78% of customers buy from the first business that responds to them. Not the best business, not the cheapest one, the first. And right now, there are founders with zero marketing experience, zero sales team, waking up every single morning to a calendar already full of qualified appointments. They didn't make a single call to get them, and by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how they're doing it, step by step, beginner to advanced. And I promise you, by the time we get to the advanced section, you're going to wonder how you've been doing lead generation without this. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping founders, business owners, and entrepreneurs grow smarter using AI. Not the hype version of AI, the version that actually moves revenue. Here's how we're breaking it down. We're starting at the beginner level, what AI lead generation actually is and the foundation you need before anything else works. Then we move into intermediate, the tools and tactics that start doing the heavy lifting for you. And then at the advanced level, and this is the part I'm most excited about, I'm going to show you a full automated system that handles your entire lead pipeline without you being involved at all. So make sure you stick around for that because it genuinely blew my mind. Let's get into it. Beginner level. What AI lead generation actually is. What is AI lead generation and why does it matter right now? Traditional lead generation, the old way, was a numbers game. You'd run ads, blast cold emails, post on social media, hope someone raises their hand, and then scramble to follow up. It was exhausting, it was inconsistent, and for most small business owners, it either costs a fortune in ad spend or an embarrassing amount of time. AI changes that equation completely. AI lead generation is using artificial intelligence to find, attract, qualify, and follow up with potential customers, automatically. Instead of you doing each of those steps manually, AI handles them at scale, around the clock, without burning out. Now, and this is important, AI lead generation is not just ChatGPT writing your cold emails. That's the surface level. That's beginner tool usage. The real power is AI that doesn't just write the message. AI that actually makes the call, has the conversation, qualifies the lead, and books the appointment. That's where we're going today. But we need the foundation first. Section 2, building your lead source. Before AI can generate leads for you, you need somewhere to send people. This is the part most beginners skip and then wonder why nothing is working. Your lead source is the place where a potential customer first raises their hand. That could be a landing page, a lead magnet, or a contact form on your website. At the beginner level, you don't need anything fancy. You need something that works. I'd recommend a simple one-page landing page with one clear offer and one call to action. Something like, book a free 15-minute call or get your free audit. One thing, not 5 things. 1. Tools like Go High Level or Card can get you started. And here's the AI element at this stage. Use ChatGPT or Claude to write your landing page copy. Give it your offer, your target customer, and what problem you solve. Ask it to write a headline, a subheadline, 3 bullet points, and a call to action. Takes 10 minutes. Section 3, your first AI-powered CRM. Once leads start coming in, you need somewhere to track them. This is where a CRM, Customer Relationship Management tool, comes in. It sounds corporate, but it's not. At the beginner level, all a CRM does is make sure you don't forget about a lead. Peef AI has a CRM that honestly does more than most tools. Sign up, connect your landing page form, and every lead that comes in gets logged automatically. Name, email, where they came from, when they arrived. Peef's AI also flags which leads are engaging with your emails so you know who to prioritize. Set it up in about 30 minutes, no excuses. Alright, so that's the beginner foundation. Lead source, CRM, basic AI copywriting. With just those 3 things, you're already ahead of most small businesses. But now, let's step it up. Intermediate level, AI-powered outreach and personalization with Clay. Here is the intermediate level. This is where AI stops just helping you write things and starts doing actual outreach for you. The tool I want to talk about here is called Clay. It's going to change your life. You give Clay a list of leads, names, companies, job titles, and Clay's AI goes and enriches every single one. It finds their LinkedIn, what their company does, and recent news. And then it uses all that data to write a genuinely personalized first line for each outreach message. No more generic, I found your profile messages. Your message says something like, saw your agency just expanded into video production. We help agencies like yours automate client outreach. That's a completely different conversation. Now here's the thing about leads. Most of them don't convert on the first touch. Research shows it takes an average of 8 touch points before a prospect converts. 8. And most businesses give up after 2. That's where PFAI comes in. PFAI lets you automate your entire follow-up sequence without writing a single line of code. A lead fills out your form. PFAI automatically adds them as contact, sends them a personalized email sequence, and can even trigger a text or WhatsApp message. All of it. Automatic. You describe what you want in plain English and PFAI builds the workflow. Honestly, if you set nothing else up, set up an automated follow-up sequence. It recovers deals you didn't even know you were losing. Real quick, if this video is giving you value so far, do me a solid favor and hit that like button. It helps this channel reach more founders who need this information. And if you want weekly videos on AI and business growth, subscribe and turn on notifications. Okay, back to it. Because the advanced section is next, and honestly, this part changes everything. Advanced level. The speed to lead. Problem nobody talks about. Before I show you the most advanced tools, I need to explain something most people overlook. It's called the speed to lead problem. Research found that companies responding to a new lead within 5 minutes are 9 times more likely to convert them. 9 times. But here's the brutal reality. The average business takes over 5 hours to respond to a new lead. 5 hours. By then, that lead has already gone cold and moved on. You built the landing page, you set up the CRM. A new lead comes in at 11 p.m. on a Tuesday. What happens? Most founders, nothing. They see it in the morning. The lead is cold. The deal is gone. That is the single most expensive problem in lead generation. And it's not a marketing problem, it's a response time problem. And the advanced solution? It completely eliminates it. Which brings me to the most impressive tool I've come across for lead generation in 2026. It's called Ava by PFAI. PFAI is an all-in-one AI revenue platform. Here's what that means in practice. The moment a new lead comes into your pipeline, not in 5 hours, within 60 seconds, Ava is on the phone with them, in a human-like voice, having a real conversation, qualifies them and books the appointment directly into your calendar, or while you're asleep, or with your family, or in a meeting. Ava doesn't sleep. Ava doesn't have a bad day. Ava picks up every single time. Now let me show you what this looks like from the inside. You choose your AI voice from their library, select your language. Ava speaks naturally in over 40 languages with native level pronunciation: French, Spanish, Swahili. Ava adjusts automatically. You customize your calling script from proven templates built specifically for real estate, insurance, coaching, consulting, and more. Upload your leads and launch. Within 60 seconds, Ava starts calling. First is the real-time call transfers. Let's say Ava qualifies the lead. Ava can hot transfer that call directly to your phone, live. You don't miss that moment. Every single call is recorded, transcribed, and analyzed, so you can see exactly what was said, how the lead responded, and what's converting. You're not flying blind. The data is all there. Ava uses local area codes when calling, which dramatically increases the answer rate. People answer local numbers, they ignore unknown ones. That one detail alone can double your connection rate. And then there's the AI receptionist, which means Ava also handles inbound calls to your business. Ava answers professionally, handles their inquiry, takes a message, or routes them appropriately. So you're covered on both ends, outbound and inbound. The link is in the description. Go to peef.ai and you can see Ava in action before you even sign up. So that is a complete AI lead generation system, built from beginner to advanced. Honestly, a solo founder with this stack is more powerful than a 5-person sales team operating the old way. The playing field has changed. The only question is whether you're going to take advantage of it. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.